Good evening. Today we'll discuss interview questions on how to arrive at gross profit, explain in detail. In simple terms, what is gross profit? Gross profit equal to sales minus direct or variable cost is equal to gross profit. We know when doctors start treatment, they receive the all pathological X-ray clinical report. After that, they will start their treatment. Similarly, in case of an organization plant factory, unless on receipt of the gross profit report, the entrepreneurs can judge the efficiency of the main operational activities. Now, what is the main operational activities of the organization or plant or factory? You know, that is what is the main core activities or primary activities or direct activities. It starts from the stage of procurement of raw materials up to the stage of sale of finished goods. Now, what are those areas? The areas are procurement of material planning. Number two, order given to the suppliers. Number three, executed the order by the suppliers and received the materials. Number four, storage of materials in company store. Number five, issue of materials to the production department. Number six, conversion of raw material into the finished products. Number seven, finished products sold to customers. These core activities, without these core activities, a company cannot run. Even now, these core activities has to be justified by us by showing the expenditure. To make use of these core activities, to implement successfully the core activities, the expenses are required. That is called direct expenses, core expenses, or variable expenses. In costing terminology, it was telling a variable expense. Now, what are those costs? Like that material cost, purchase of material, labor cost, wages paid to the workers, manufacturing expenses. Various companies appoint contractor for doing the direct job, activities, production, etc. Power, electricity of the factory. Number five, carriage inward of the materials. That is transportation cost for the purchase of materials. After that, carriage outward. That is transportation cost in order to sell the materials. Now, if we see how gross profit is calculated. Now, I am giving the example of gross profit. How to arrive gross profit? Means all expenses will be coming first. Cost of material, suppose 400 rupees. And other expenses, direct expenses like wages, power and fuel, manufacturing expenses, carriage inward, carriage outward is coming. Total comes 320. Total cost is 720. Sales is 800. So 800 minus 720 is equal to 80 is the gross profit. The ratio of gross profit is 10%. As you know that the expenses I have stated, these will not come together in financial statement. Even gross profit report will not come to the financial statement. In financial statement under profit and loss account, numerous account heads are there. So there you will definitely find these expenses or related to that, which will be linked to these expenses. That is, you will definitely find these expenses. So from there itself, you have to allocate these things. Now the second question they may ask, what is the accountant's role in preparing the gross profit? Now you have to answer this question by telling that accountant role is to prepare the gross profit in such a manner that is the concrete evidence that proves the concrete evidence and produce the report to the managing director or director of the management for their verification. The report itself, accountant, what can be done? They can do easily, they can recommend, they can suggestion, they can point out where the management action is needed. Accountant is giving message to the management, but it is up to the management whether his suggestion will be implemented or not.